How to fix Instagram highlights. Welcome back to this brand new video, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram highlights easily. So all what you have to do, open the settings, go to apps. Now go to the apps again, wait a few seconds, it will start loading, and now scroll again like this until you find Instagram. Where is it? Okay, here's it right here. Click on it. Now all what you have to do is go to notifications management, disable the notifications, and then wait a few seconds and enable them again. Go back, click on this option for stop, and then go down, click on clear cache in the storage option. When you clear cache, most of the problem are gone, not just the highlights. And now click on the open by default, click on open supported links in the app, and choose ask every time. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.